You are going to love the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all-terrain, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.